Hello everyone, this is the Realization Lion. Today we'll be learning the programming concept on variables. So how to visualize a variable? First, you must visualize it like a box. So a box can contain a lot of things. In our case, we will contain it with data. So uh, once you put something into a box, it's very difficult for you to realize what it is once you close it or you come and retrieve it after a time. Therefore, you need to label it. Just like moving your house, you pack things inside a box and then you move to another place, and then if you never label it, you will never know what's inside there. So the types of data, in our case here, you will be focusing on three main types. There are actually many types of data, but for our case, we'll just only focus on number, boolean, and string. So you can use the acronym MBS to help you remember these three types. So when you write a declaration of variable in JavaScript, you will have to understand what does it means. So if you read it like English language, you will have to read word by word, including all the symbols. So the first var is a declaration to the computer that you want to make a variable. The second one, the s name in this case, is that you want to label it as a name. So we are actually creating a variable to store a name. So when you use the symbol equal, you are trying to set the data of this variable, and the value or the data that is set in this case is Jack. If you see the double quote is a string. And you also end with a semicolon. This is the end of a sentence in JavaScript. So that is, if you visualize it in English, it will be like a full stop. Okay, so the semicolon is the equivalent of a full stop in JavaScript. So you can see this is the entire structure of how you declare a variable, and this is how you should read it. So if you like my content, and you find it interesting or you find it of value to you, you can always click on the subscribe button below for more content. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video.